To utilize outfit codes and roadblocks. Begin by logging into your account at roblox.com and navigating to the marketplace. Within the marketplace, select an item, such as a shirt, and observe the URL in your web browser, which will display a link containing the item's ID and name. The ID is typically the code provided in tutorial videos or outfit codes. To use an outfit code, start with the base URL. Then erase any unnecessary information and paste the outfit code into the URL. Press Enter on your keyboard, and the link will automatically fill in the missing parts, loading the specific outfit. Essentially, outfit codes are the IDs of the items themselves, making it easy to access and use them on Roblox. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily use outfit codes to find and load specific items.